Hey, big brother, it's me. The things that I want you to know is how proud I am of you. You're probably the only person I've ever trusted. But, um, anyways, yeah, I look up to you.
Hey Kevin, I wanted you to know that I think of you as the gentle giant. And I want you to know that because, oh my gosh, your hugs, they are so sweet. Your smile, that glint in your eye, the wrinkle on the side of your eye, you're just fully present when you greet people, and I appreciate that in you.
You always make me feel good. You're a model. You asked me what I wanted for my birthday, and I said, I'm about to cry now, that I wanted you and Connie to sing In the Light of Love. You have no idea how that impacted me. And it still makes me cry to think about it. And I just love you, you big teddy bear.